To make wheat flour laddu, heat a pan. Add around 5 tablespoons of ghee. Heat it for a while. Add 1 cup of wheat flour. Mix it well. Let the wheat absorb the ghee and the color will slightly turn brown. Then add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix it really well. Make sure to not burn the pan. Keep mixing it. Also keep the flame in low heat. Add extra 1 to 2 tablespoons of ghee or as per required. By now the color would have changed and also it would have a wonderful aroma. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Then make round shaped laddus. Finally, melt in your mouth. Wheat flour laddu is ready to eat.